So now we are queuing going to Kusu Island. We are on the queue line. See you there at Kusu Island. So now we are inside the ferry. These are
Malay. So we're heading now to Kusu Island. Yeah. We are inside now in the ferry. Another trip going to Kusu Island.
I start feeling dizzy. I don't want to come again in this island.
Start to experience that. At least, diba? Puntahan mo na yung sinasabi nila some place.
So, as long as we have time, enjoy. But I feel really
15 minutes pa bago na natin. 15 minutes.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
So now we are here at Kusu Island. So welcome to Kusu Island. Welcome to Kusu Island. Now we are inside of the Kusu Island. So this is the surroundings. And we just take a break to eat our lunch. But the time now is almost 4:30. You can see? We are we have the mat. We take a rest for a while. Then we will explore. 6:15 ang last batch. Ay last. Okay, so that's the ferry schedule. So we will leave here at 6:15 p.m. So join us our late lunch. Almost dinner na daw. This is how an OFW lunch or brunch or fast. Daming may mga kayakap dito. Hindi lang ang walang kayakap. Done our late lunch. We will explore a little bit inside the Kusu Island, then going back home. So start from here, then later on we will come back again to the other side. So that area is not allowed beyond that area. Inside of Kusu Island. It's smaller and it's few people only here. Maybe because it's already late in the afternoon. Now it's 5:05 p.m. here in Singapore. So join me to explore Tortoise Island. I go to that side. My hair become very small again. Very short. How you hold that one? Komodo dragon. Datuk Kong. We try to go up area. Oh yeah. Come, we go upstairs. Datuk Kong. So from that area, nakakahingal, breathless. Still high? Is it still very high? So we're on the mast now kasi pababa na yung hagdan because it's going down now. So I need to wear the mask. When coming up, I remove the mask. It's allowed. Mas maganda yung ano niya, malapad. Yung staircase niya. The staircase in this area is a little bit wider. So, you have the shades under the tree. Very difficult, but going down very much easier, much more easier rather. We're almost done. Dapat pala dito tayo umakyat kanina, then the other side we go down that area. Halika na.
Doon tayo sa fair side.
Saan doon? That side. We go that side. Because we have to reach at the ferry station at 5:30, so we can fall in line first. We get the first seat. Because if you are at the back of the ferry, oh my gosh, it's like zigzag. And I have a motion sickness. I feel so dizzy until now. Oh, you see this one? This is where they make shower after the swim. This area is Tortoise Shelter. Ang dami nilang pagkain. Not allowed to go down. Ano isa yan? Huh? We are exit now. Oh, going back to Singapore. Kita niyo yan. Ganyan ang gusto kong masakyan. Oh, may tao sa taas. I don't want to come back anymore.
Ito kasi hinig ko. Final ferry.
Thank you for joining us today from St. John's Island and Kusu Island. Watch out! Please continue to watch Grateful Jen's channel and The Love of Gina. God bless us all.